Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In previous video we've been doing a mod to the spot welder, and in this video I'm gonna show you how it's working. So to kick the video off, what I'm gonna try, I'm gonna spot weld two like scrap bits of nickel strip. Well, it's not really a pure nickel, it's just steel nickel plated. But anyhow, let's grab the spot welder. I've put it all together. I've changed the top plate. I've cracked the original one, so I've made this one. So it's presentable. So let's plug the battery in. And the battery I'm using, I know I shouldn't be using, but my other battery is on charge, so we're gonna try it with this Zippy 3700 milliamps. And this one's got 25C discharge. I know I shouldn't really use this. You wanna have something a bit more powerful, but that's what I've got now, other than charging. So we'll give it a go, see what it does. So let's plug it in. Hopefully it's not gonna blow the MOSFETs. Right, power it on. I don't know whether you can see it. Should be able to, but here under weld it's showing manual. It starts off in manual every time, so just in case, if you know, if them electrodes were touching, it'll just fry it. That's why it starts in manual. So what we want to do, we want to change it to auto. There's another thing I want to show you. You know, ends of these electrodes, you want to round them off to increase the surface of the actual contact, you know, between this electrode and your nickel strip. Just round them off with a bit of sandpaper or something. So let's try it. I tend to use it on 25. Let's see what it does. Let's ramp it up to 25. Right. So, and I want to tell you a bit about my channel. I decided I'm gonna like show you what I do. I tinker a lot with all sorts of different things. So if you like what I'm doing, just like, if you can, subscribe and hit that like button. Right. Boom. 1, 2. Let's see how strong this is. No, I can't rip it. Separated by hand. So we'll go with that. We'll go with 25. So what we're gonna do, I've got a pack of 5S 2P. We're gonna achieve about like above like something like 18 volts. What I want to do, I want to like make a pack so I can test some power tools on it, you know, 18 volts power tools. And what I'm using to join them is them like battery holders. I got them from AliExpress as well. They're quite cheap. I think you get 100 for $6 or something like that. Just like cheap and cheerful. They do the job. They separate the cells so the ventilation's there. So we'll give it a go and see what we can do. We'll do a few spot welds and see what we're gonna achieve. Right, I'll move this spot welder out of the way. Yeah, let me grab my nickel strip. I'm using them like square ones. It saves a lot of hassle, like they're ready made. They're there. So now let me place it in there. Oh yeah, and what I did, when you look closely, I cut the corners of them plastics on the inside so I can fit nickel strip a bit better. Right, let's see. Bit of spark. Let's catch the other side now. It's flexing a bit, but there's nothing I can do about it. Boom. I think that's where our problem is. Let's rip it off. Yeah, it's this plastic there. So let's try to cut it off. Spin this around. No. It's gonna have to be something more drastic. I'll do it off camera. But you get the concept. Just make some room for the nickel strip and you're ready to roll. Right. It's a bit of a pain to get them lined properly in there, but boom, there we go. Spin it around. That's a better fit. And let's give it a blast. Boom. Boom. It's just simple, this spot welder. You've got two electrodes and off you go. Hold it like a pen and it's easy. I'm gonna do some videos with like trying to revive some old power tools and stuff like that, really. I don't know why it's flexing so much. this one first. It's one. Boom. It's really pulling on it. That's not going to hold very well. Something on there. Just like that. Let me try it. Boom. There we go. So you get the concept. And then I'm gonna show you when my balance leads get here. I'll show you how to solder balance lead to a 18-volt battery. And yeah guys, I'll see you with the next one. If you like what I do, just subscribe, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me and it shows that what I'm doing might be of interest to you. So thank you.